It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, but it's snowing today. Get the snowflake. Yep. I'm not getting any snowflakes. Well, that's not very nice. What's going on? Hey, Zoe. Hey, Zoe. Hi, Emma. Like, what's up? Nothing much, but I guess you want to hang out. Yeah, like, totally. Let's just, like, stare at the camera. There's no camera. No, there's no camera. There isn't a camera. Okay, like, okay, sure, whatever you said. There's no camera. Hey, guys. Hi, Peppermint. Like, oh my god, hi, Peppermint. Hi. Oh my. When did this become your guys' house? Like, yesterday. Didn't you, like, sign the agreement? What agreement? The agreement to give us our house. Your house? It's my house. Sure. Yeah, sure. Let's just watch. Wait. No, it's the snowflakes, not the screen. Fine. Let's just watch the snowflakes. Hi, guys. Oh, finally, a normal person. Come on, let's hang out. You guys are out. Leave. Oh, like you totally don't deserve us because we're, like, too popular for you guys. Yeah. Baloney breath. And a cam. Oh. Thank you for saving me from those ham-loving people. Oh, you're welcome. We're best friends. See you later, and, happy holidays. This is a very, 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 very late holiday thing, and, yeah, I don't celebrate Christmas. So, yeah, happy holiday. It kind of matched the peppermint puppy, so, and this is the only thing with, like, a holiday thing, so, yeah, there's no menorahs or, Diwali light things. I don't know, I'm not really good at holidays. I just know I know 2 holidays, Christmas and Hanukkah. The one was you get presents. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye, bye. Oh my god, I sing horribly. Okay. Please comment, subscribe, and rate. I got the giggles now. Bye.